there's a hint. Do those tires look familiar to any of you? If they don't, you'll see shortly. So this side out, and you can see the process in which you put on the tires. So I've been working here, and this is what I come up with for a little bumper on the back. For now, I'm going to put a rack on it too. This is just going to be something to hook your chain on or whatever to pull. And I'm going to make supports up and put the bumper on. So I'll turn my welding mask on. Okay, got that rear bumper welded on there solid, and I think the welds look fairly decent. I went across the bottom on both and all the way around and all that good stuff. Alright, here we go. This is the push bar on the back, and so far I'm actually liking this a decent amount. So So here it is. I've managed to get that all welded up on there. And I would like to put mesh in there. Not quite. So finishing up here today. I think I got a pretty decent amount accomplished here. One thing I gotta note there is that new clevis on the front there actually serves a purpose. So you can tow it out. Like the new front tires, don't look too bad. The new rear ones don't look too bad either. So here it is done. Got the rack on there. I hooked up the brake lights under there, just little ones now. Like the rack. I put the plastic back on.